Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to create your own Discord server. So guys, let's go to your Discord. Now tap on the plus icon. Tap on create my own. Tap on for me and my friends. Now you have to enter here your server name. And also you can upload a photo for your server if you want, or you can also skip this. Then tap on create server. Now here you can see your friend list and you can add some people your server if you want. And also you can skip this part. So guys, that's it. That's how you can create your own server very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.